Hello, my name is Satej Panda and I am from NIT Rourkela pursuing my BTech in Metallurgical and Materials Engineering.
Hello, this is Jyotika from Electronics and Communication Engineering branch in NIT Rourkela. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Roll camera, action. Wait a second. Hi friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malayala. Okay, welcome to the third episode of my new series, College Reviews. In this episode, I am going to give you the college review of NIT Rourkela. Previously, I have uploaded videos regarding NIT Trichy, NIT Surathkal. Those who didn't watch them, I will upload the link in the iTabs. Please go and watch. Coming to this video, in this video also, same like last two episodes, I am going to show you three parts. First part is the aerial view or the campus tour. In the second part, I will give the details of the campus regarding placements, cutoffs, fee structure, hostels, infrastructure, everything about the college and campus life will be shown in the second part. And this is the third part. This is the surprising part for the new viewers of my channel. Old viewers knows this surprise, but the new viewers, let me say about it. Till date, any of the YouTuber who gives the college reviews didn't show you such things. Before going to the presentation, please hit the like button to boost me up for more such things. So, without taking much time, let's get into the presentation. Coming to second part of the presentation about NIT Rourkela, it is in Jagda, Rourkela, Orissa. It is established in 1961. If you see the rankings, it has ranked 225 according to the Q Asia 2020. In the overall category of NIRF, National Institutional Ranking Framework, it has ranked 32, and in the engineering category, it has ranked 16th. If you see the connectivity in the transportation, nearest bus stand is Rourkela bus stand, 6.4 kilometers. Nearest railway station is Rourkela Junction railway station, 7 kilometers. Nearest airport is in Jharkhand state compared to the Orissa state, which is 160 kilometers. Bisra Munda Airport, Ranchi. Biju Patnaik International Airport, Bhubaneswar, 336 kilometers. If you talk about the modes of admission, JEE Mains followed by JOSA and CSOP counseling. Courses offered by NIT Rourkela are Biomedical Engineering, Biotechnology, Ceramic Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Food Processing Engineering, Industrial Design, Mechanical Engineering, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, Mining Engineering. NIT Rourkela offers you 5 years BTech plus MTech dual degrees and also some MSc programs in ceramic, metallurgical, mining and chemical engineering. If you see the seat matrix of NIT Rourkela, total number of seats is 1102. In that, 952 for engineering category, 50 for dual degrees and 100 for 5-year MSc courses. Here I mentioned the general category, home state. If you want the category wise cutoffs, I will leave the link in the description. Please go and see according to your category. And this is other state general category cutoffs. If you see the fee structure, total fee is 1,24,000. In the first semester you have to pay 1,24,000, which includes caution money of 10,000, one time fees 15,000, tuition fee 62,500 per semester, hostel rent per semester 5,000, other fees per semester 14,000, mess advance per semester 17,500. From the second semester onwards, you need to pay 99,000 per semester. NIT Rourkela also offers you fee waivers. If you belongs to the category of SC, ST, PH, you will get 100% tuition fee waiver. For general and OBC student whose family income is less than 1 lakh per annum, will get full remission. Then coming to the general and OBC candidates who are having family income between 1 to 5 lakhs, they will get the 2/3 of the tuition fee as a remission. NIT Rourkela ka placements 42 lakhs package, highest package by Adobe, and if you see software profiles, 9.5 lakhs per annum average package, non-software profile 6 lakhs per annum average package. Major companies which visited for placements are Amazon, Bharat Petroleum, DE Deloitte, Goldman Sachs, Intel, Maruti Suzuki, Microsoft, PwC, Qualcomm and Zomato. These are the major recruiters. And if you see the infrastructure, it has spread across 1200 acres. Class, libraries, labs are spacious and well maintained. The operating hours of Central Library are 9 am to 10 pm. Wi-Fi enabled campus. If you talk about the sports, a big Olympic size swimming pool is available in the campus, and the central gym, cricket ground, stadiums are equipped with floodlights also. 2 basketball courts, 3 tennis courts and a hockey football stadium also used for host celebrities for musical nights, volleyball arena as well, and shopping center are also available like bookstore, xerox shop, stationery shop, grocery shop, vegetable shop, hair cutting salons and travel agency is also available inside the campus. You will get a health center with 24/7 service. Post office is also available inside the campus. SBI bank branch inside the campus with ATMs available. For worship, Hanuman temple is there, Shiva temple, Sri Rama temple near the institute substation and Mangala temple. Guest house is also available for the guests. If we talk about the hostels, Vikram Sarabhai Hall of Residence in NIT Rourkela, largest hostel in India, second largest in the entire Asia. First and second year you will get a double seater room, third year and fourth year you will get a single seater room, which means you will get a room which has only accommodation of one person in the third and fourth year. But in first and second year you will get a room which has the accommodation of 2 members. Inside the room you can find a cupboard, study table is there in every room. Then night canteen and stationery shops also available. Every hostel has a badminton court, volleyball court, and inside the hostel there is a common room with an LED TV, table tennis and carom. Hostel mess will provide you 4-time meals, breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. Food is not that good, it is okayish. hangout places in the campus. These are all the hangout places which you can see on the left side of the presentation. And first is the Elon, then Amul Parlal, Hexagon Restaurant, Dosa Palace, Nescafe, near library and academic hall. Domino's is also inside the campus. SLR Canteen, Calorie Canteen, Moksha Express, George Christian, Backpost, Naga Pond. These are all the places which you can hang out with your friends during your free time in the campus itself. If you see the hangout places outside the campus, for malls and theaters, you need to travel 8 kilometers to Rourkela city. Inside the Rourkela city, here I mentioned some important places: Amgan Market, Curry Pot Restaurant, Steel Plant of Rourkela, Hanuman Vatika, Vaishno Devi Temple, Mandira Dam, Vedavyas Temple, Indira Gandhi Park, and Pitamahal Dam. NIT Rourkela conducts two fests. One is the Tech Fest and another is the Cultural Fest. And Tech Fest is named as Innovision and Cultural Fest is named as Cosmopolitan. If you talk about the faculty, which is OKESH, compulsorily students should maintain 85% for attending the end semester exam. Exposure is amazing. Weather is extreme: summer, winter, and monsoon.
Hello, my name is Satyaj Panda and I am from NIT Rourkela pursuing my BTech in Metallurgical and Materials Engineering.
Hello, this is Jyotika from Electronics and Communication Engineering branch in NIT Rourkela. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
As far as the campus and the environment of NIT Rourkela is concerned, it is lush green. It is filled with trees, so the greenery in and around will make you fall in love with it instantly. So anyone coming around from the nooks and corners of the country to study here, just gasp the whole campus in awe for some minutes because of its beauty.
NIT RKL is a very huge campus. It is surrounded by mountains and also the campus has much greenery. NIT RKL has got the best infrastructure.
Coming to the hostels, it is very spacious. It is occupied, or you can say well equipped with gyms, with libraries, with reading rooms, with TV rooms, and there is a mandatory garden where you can go and chill out anytime.
And whereas speaking about the hostels, there are totally 10 hostels in the campus, 7 for boys, 2 for girls and 1 for married students. The hostel rooms are not worst, they are quite good, and the hostel rooms are one of the best place where you can have fun with your friends.
Coming to the mess serves food, variety of food around the week, so a student can tingle his taste buds any time of the day if he or she wants, because there are a lot of restaurants and food courts also present in the campus. So even there are night canteens in each and every hostel which serves the food from the evening itself throughout the night. So there is not a single problem of availability of food.
And whereas speaking about the mess food is not quite good. It's like okay type. You get non-veg in the mess. It's well and good if you get adjusted with the mess food, and if at all not, the canteens are always open for you. There are both day canteens as well as night canteens.
Coming to the academic campus, it is not far behind as far as beauty and the infrastructure is concerned, because the lecture rooms are well equipped and the departments are well niched, so students can learn a variety of things, not only the subject matter but also a lot of different things, because the professors are also good and they provide holistic education.
The classroom environment is good, like it's well equipped, and also the professors are definitely, they have got very much talent. They teach well. I don't say that all the professors teach well, but many of them they do.
Coming to the sports, because it is an integral part of our life, and there is not a single sports that is not played in NIT Rourkela, starting from kabaddi to kho-kho to football to cricket. So there are 2 stadiums in NIT Rourkela. One of them is well equipped with floodlights, so one can go hit some balls in the evening as well. There is an Olympic sized swimming pool as well, so anyone can go there in the prescribed timing and go and have a swim.
And whereas speaking about the sports, the students, they play many sports, so every sport has got its individual ground to play, and NIT RKL has also a central gym and Olympic sized swimming pool.
fest and all that goes on around the year. As far as the fest is concerned, it comes and goes throughout the year. It sprinkles joyous moments among the students, and the students make the most of it. Not only the students, the professors are also a big part and play a big role in conducting these fests. The professors also enjoy it, although. So, for example, the Tech Fest, which is widely popularly called as Innovision, and then there is a Cosmopolitan Fest, which showcases different cultures and tradition of students from different cultural backgrounds. So it is indeed needless to say that students make the most of these fests.
And regarding fest, college fests are a lot more different than the functions or parties you have in your schools. In NIT RKL, we have a very well-known tech fest called Innovision. It showcases the technical talents in the students, and we have DJ nights during the fest where you'll have lots of fun. And Cosmopolitan is another multicultural fest which shows you the amazing diversity in the campus.
NIT Rourkela is not only famous for its huge campus, majestic infrastructure, or its grand fests, but it is an emotion for all the students staying over here.
I would conclude saying, if at all you are thinking of joining in NIT RKL, it's not good, it's best decision you will ever make. Thank you.
I hope every one of you like the presentation. If you find this as a time-worthy video, please like, share and subscribe. Want to know more college reviews? Stick around. For that, you need to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. A good set of videos are on your way. See you in the next video with another genuine review of another college. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.